In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect GoHighLevel pages and websites. By the end, you'll have a simple password gate on your page using a lightweight JavaScript overlay that works inside the GoHighLevel builder. First, we'll generate the code we need. Open your AI assistant and ask for a GoHighLevel compatible JavaScript snippet that shows a full page overlay prompting for a password before revealing the page. A clear prompt you can use is, "Give me a GHL-compatible JavaScript code that password protects my page with a simple overlay." Ask it to include a text field for the password, a submit button, and logic to hide or reveal the page content based on a correct match. When you're happy with the output, copy the code. Quick tip: simple front-end password overlays are great for low-stakes content and quick gating. For highly sensitive material, consider a membership or server-side solution. Now head into your GoHighLevel sub-account. From the left menu, go to Sites, then choose Websites. Open the specific website where you want to add the password. Click Edit to launch the page builder for the page you want to protect. Inside the builder, look to the top left and click the plus icon to add an element. In the search bar, type Code. From the results, choose the custom HTML/JavaScript element. Click and drag that element onto your page where it won't disrupt your layout. Placing it near the top of the page is usually best because it lets the overlay initialize immediately. With the element selected, click Open Code Editor. Paste the JavaScript you copied from your AI assistant into the editor. If the snippet includes a line to set your password, enter your desired password there. You can also tweak any overlay text or basic styles right in the code, so the prompt matches your brand voice. When you're done, click Save in the editor, then save your page changes in the builder. Next, preview your page. In the preview, you should see the overlay appear before any page content is accessible. Enter the correct password to confirm it unlocks the page. If you test a wrong password, the content should remain hidden. If you don't see the overlay, refresh the preview, clear your cache, or try an incognito window to rule out caching. Finally, publish or save again to make your changes live. From now on, when someone opens that page, they'll be prompted to enter the password before they can view your content. And that's it. Your GoHighLevel page is now protected with a simple, effective overlay.